Good morning and welcome to your market update for Friday, June 19, 2026. The mood on Wall Street is decidedly bullish today. Buyers are stepping in with conviction after a rough Fed-driven session. Let's break down the numbers. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is climbing, up 0.7% to 746.78. The Nasdaq is the real star this morning, surging 2.5% to 740.66. Tech is clearly leading this rebound. The Dow Jones, however, is the odd one out. It's slipping just slightly, down 14 basis points to 515.56. So we've got a split picture. But the growth trade is firmly in control. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because that's where the fireworks are. Nvidia is on fire today, jumping nearly 3% to trade at 210.73. The chip giant continues to power higher as the AI trade stays alive and well. Amazon is right behind it, rallying 2.92% to 244.43. Strong momentum there. Meta is also catching a bid, up 1.71% at 577.26. Alphabet is adding over 1%, trading at 368.07. And Tesla rounds out our top 5, climbing just over 1% to 400.53. Big Tech is doing the heavy lifting today. No question about it. Flipping over to commodities. Gold is pulling back slightly, down about 0.4% to 387.16. Silver is seeing a bigger dip, falling 1.78% to 59.53. Precious metals are taking a breather as risk appetite returns. Oil, meanwhile, is ticking higher. WTI crude is up about 0.6%, trading at $114.90 a barrel. Energy prices remain elevated, but gasoline at the pump is actually coming down. In the crypto space, Bitcoin is having a solid morning. It's up 1.29%, trading at $63,287. Ethereum is also in the green, gaining 1.45% to 1,708.28. Risk on sentiment is clearly spilling into digital assets as well. On the Forex front, we don't have fresh major pair data to report this morning. We'll keep you updated as those numbers come in throughout the session. Now let's hit the headlines driving the conversation. CNBC reports that stock futures rose as Wall Street attempts to rebound from yesterday's Fed-led sell-off. Intel is helping lead chip stocks higher, adding fuel to the Nasdaq's surge. The Wall Street Journal is highlighting that the Nasdaq is set for a bounce. They also note that gasoline prices have dropped below $4 a gallon. That's welcome news for consumers heading into the summer. And in a fun story from Fox Business, Qantas just announced the world's longest non-stop commercial flight. We're talking Sydney to London. Non-stop. That's going to be one long flight. So here's the big picture. The market is shaking off the Fed jitters and buyers are clearly stepping back in. Tech and mega caps are leading the charge higher. The question is whether this momentum holds into the close. Watch for any follow-through buying in the afternoon session. Keep an eye on how chip stocks perform after Intel's leadership this morning. And stay tuned for any Fed commentary that could shift the narrative heading into next week. That's your update. Stay sharp, and we'll see you tomorrow.